Learn 10 ways to use down in English. The English language is full of words with multiple meanings and applications, and down is no exception. This small but versatile word can be used in a variety of contexts to convey different ideas and actions. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding the various ways in which down can be used is a valuable skill. In this video, we will explore 10 common uses of down in English, ranging from physical movements to figurative expressions. By the end of this video, you'll have a better grasp of the word down and be able to use it more effectively in your everyday conversations and writing. Sit down. This means to lower oneself into a sitting position. Example: please sit down and make yourself comfortable. Lie down. This means to recline or rest in a horizontal position. Example: I'm feeling tired, so I'm going to lie down for a bit. Write down. This means to write something on a piece of paper or in a notebook. Example: don't forget to write down the grocery list before you go to the store. Break down. This means to stop working or functioning properly. Example: my car broke down on the way to work this morning. Cut down. This means to reduce the amount of something. Example: I'm trying to cut down on my sugar intake. Calm down. This means to relax or become less agitated. Example: take a deep breath and try to calm down before you speak to him. Turn down. This means to decrease the volume or intensity of something. Example: can you please turn down the music? It's too loud. Get down. This means to descend or come down from a higher position. Example: we need to get down from this mountain before it gets dark. Track down. This means to find something or someone after searching for them. Example: I finally tracked down the book I've been looking for at the library. Put down. This means to place something on a surface or to criticize or belittle someone or something. Example: please put down your backpack and come join us for dinner.